Hi, my name is Malini, and in this segment, we will be talking about using the Google Classroom e-learning management system. Firstly, go to your Google Classroom and sign in by using your student Google account assigned to you by your school. You will now see all your classrooms listed on the Google Classroom dashboard. Click on your class and you will enter your classroom. The stream page will then appear. Here, you will see and readily access any new assignments, updates, and announcements posted by your teacher. You can also post or make comments in the stream. In order to access your assignments, click on the Classwork tab. You will also see all the assignments and materials posted by your subject teacher. This will be your course content for the selected subject. You have now read your assignment and need to return your response to your teacher. After you complete your assignment, you now want to upload your assignment. You must first find where you have the assignment saved in your folder. Click on Your Work, then you will see a button to add or create. This gives you options for uploading. Files from your Google Drive, links from websites, or files from your computer. If you are uploading a file from your Google Drive on your drive, simply click Upload. Your file document is now on Classroom. Click Turn In. If you are uploading from folder or a link on your computer, select the file and it will be uploaded to Classroom. Then simply click Turn In. To download files, select your classroom. Click on the Classwork tab, then click on the assignment you wish to view. Once opened, click on the file you want to download. Then click on the three dots at the top right-hand corner and click on the download icon to download the selected materials or assignments. The to-do list shows anything that you have upcoming in any of your classes. This includes all your pending work, work that has not been submitted, and assignments you have completed. On your dashboard, you can click on Calendar and you will see all the assignments that your teacher has created for you. It's valuable to show you how to use the calendar function so you can get a good picture of when all your different assignments are due. By learning these simple features, you are now ready to use your Google Classroom.